Hello friends, my name is Tanabalan Balasundaram. I am an IT engineer working in Bangalore. I have a small balcony garden in Bangalore. I am going to explain you about the product called waste decomposer (WDC). India develops about 2 tons of agri-waste per day from the villages having around 300 to 400 agriculture families. The current method of decomposing the agriculture waste is either burn them or leave them as is to decompose on their own. To overcome this problem, NCOF developed a product called Waste Decomposer, National Center of Organic Farming. It's called NCOF in 2004. This is microorganisms isolated by Dr. Kishan Chandra in 2004. They are actually beneficial microorganisms, and it took 11 years for the product to mature to use in agriculture field. If you want to use it in agriculture field, you just need one bottle of waste decomposer, which will cost you 20 rupees from NCOF if they are selling it directly, and mix it in 200 liters of water with 2 kgs of jaggery, stir it properly and cover with the cloth. The aeration should be there and no insects should go inside our to legs. Okay, every day, morning and evening, stir it properly and cover it. The product will be ready. The solution will be ready in 7 days. After 7 days, you can use it with the 1:4 ratio food to all the plants. If you are a balcony gardener or terrace gardener and you need a minimum quantity, just need 2 grams. I mean, for example, if you want to make 10 liters of WDC solution, take 100 grams of jaggery and mix it in 10 liters of water. Add 2 grams of WDC culture and mix it thoroughly every morning and evening. And you need to stir it properly in the morning and evening and cover with a clean cloth and tie it properly. Okay. While taking out or stirring it, we should avoid the direct contact with our hands. You can use any clean stick to stir it properly. After 7 days, the product will be ready, and if you don't have to use the culture again and again. When you have 1 liter of WDC solution, add 10 liters of water, 9 liters of water, and 100 grams of jaggery, and the process is same. Stir in the morning and the evening every day and cover it properly. It will be ready by the next 7th day. I will show you how to do it in the coming days. Thank you. Hello friends, this is my balcony garden. Okay, this is a small introduction about this garden. So for this I need about 10 liters of WDC per week. So I'll prepare in 2 buckets, each 10. So initially I'm going to show you how to prepare WDC solution in 10 liters of water. So that from next week onwards you can prepare another 10 liters from the existing one. Okay, I have taken 10 liters of water in a clean bucket. You can use any water except the one with more salty. Rainwater is best. You can use borewell water, not a problem, but it should not contain more salt content in it. And this is 100 grams of jaggery powder or brown sugar, you would say. I'm going to mix it in water. We should not use our hand. You can use any clean wooden stick or plastic stick. So now I don't have anything, so I'm using my shirt hanger. It's clean, so we can use it. If we do it by our hand, the microorganisms, microbes or microorganisms in the water will die. So it's properly mixed. This is the WDC culture container, and you can see the culture inside. So the same bottle I used last time also. So from this I'm going to take about 2 grams. It's okay even if you take little extra. There's no proper measurement for this. We cannot measure it properly. Use any stick like this, toothpick, not in hands. Okay, this much quantity is enough. Now I'm going to put this one in water and mix it well. Now we need to mix it again. Last time I used jaggery powder. This time I'm using sugar, brown sugar, organic one, not the one with the chemicals. Every morning and evening stir it like this about 30 to 40 times properly, and cover it with a light cloth so that the flies cannot enter into it. Every time open it, stir it and cover it properly. So to take a cloth with which can pass through the air. So it's sunny outside, so I have kept the bucket inside the home. So that you can see it properly. I'm going to cover it. You should not leave like this, or we should not use any plate, paper plate or anything, cardboard, no. The cloth looks thick, but it can pass through the air inside, so it has proper ventilation. Okay, next I will open this in the evening again for stirring this. If possible, I will capture a video, or I will capture a video tomorrow morning while stirring. Okay, I am going to open this for the first time because we tried it in the morning. You can see the culture is still floating, so it will take some time to dissolve in water. I'm going to use the same hanger and stir it properly. So I'm going to cover it again. Okay, let's see it in the morning. So this is after 24 hours. I'm going to stir it. So this is on day 1 evening. This is the one I prepared last week with jaggery. I involved my son also to help me in gardening. I am going to open this. This is a day 2 morning. So this is the status as of now. This is on day 3 morning. We are on day 7 and it's completely ready. I could smell sour smell. It's like a toddy smell. So I can mix it now and use it with normal water at 1:4 ratio. I have taken 12 liters of normal water and taken 3 liters of WDC solution and pour it to the plants pots, and I can spray it on plants also.